Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we will see how can we create Amazon Web Service account, and then we will utilize the free tier that is eligible for some time. I think it's for 1 year, but let's see. So what I have done on Google, I'll just write create AWS account, and then it says sign up for free today. Let's click on that, and then before we create the account, let's see what is eligible the criteria for getting the free tier. So it says gain free hands-on experience with the AWS products, etc. It is asking to create the free tier, and then types of free tier, free trials. Okay, so it is applicable for 12 months and few of the services are always free. Let's see. It says we can actually, they have given the filters also, like which services are available for always free. So for example this, so it says database Amazon DynamoDB 25 GB is always free. Even after 12 months it's free. Then AWS Lambda 1 million requests per month is free. Then Cloud Whisperer, etc. Amazon SNS is 1 million. Simple notification service, the Cloud Watch, etc. So it's given, we can see, and it's actually those services are more than sufficient for learning perspective for 1 year. Which services are free for 12 months. So EC2 we can create VMs of for 750 hours. There is no charge for up to 12 months. And we will also see that there are different type of EC2 instance. Well, we'll create the EC2 instance, so there are few of them are eligible for under free tier, and the same is applicable for other type of services as well. So we need to make sure that we select the free tier one only while we'll do the hands-on exercise. Otherwise there will be of course charges applicable for you which you need to pay. Okay, and yes, there was something else also. Yeah, it's okay. So click on create an AWS account, and it will ask to provide an email address and the account name what you want to give, and then click on verify email address, and it will go for email verification. Let me pause, I will fill in my information. After email verification, it will ask you to provide the root user password. So provide the password. After filling in the password information, it will tell the free tier offers, which is like for 12 months it's free. And in it will ask for more information, for example your name, your mobile number, etc., your address details. So fill in that information, and finally it will be on billing information page where you need to provide your credit card or debit card details. And we will not charge you for your usage below AWS free tier limit. We may temporarily hold up to $1 USD for or equivalent amount in local currency. So maybe it will deduct 1 rupee or something, not sure, but maximum $1. So provide that detail, and then continue. So it deducted 2 rupees from my account, the credit card debit card number I had given, and then finally it is asking to confirm my identity through SMS, the phone number I have given. So let me just confirm that. Now I'm on final this page. It says select a support plan, and the basic support free plan is auto selected, and of course I need to select this only because the other plan is looking for some money which I usually don't want to give, just for learning perspective. So select this one and then complete the sign up. And hooray, we just created a new account, AWS account, and now it is saying the congratulations, and we can finally go to the AWS management console. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected.